Hello friends, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher, and I lost my YouTube channel. It got accidentally deleted. My 3,000 plus subscribers, my over 400 videos, my thousands of hours of watch time permanently deleted accidentally. So I'm rebuilding from the ground up. I have my videos backed up on a hard drive, but it takes time to get them all uploaded back to YouTube. And I'm going to upload a previously made video, one a day, and then 2 new ones a week. And I hope that you will subscribe to my new channel. It's Carnivore Teacher again. I invite you to share this with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe also. Thank you to Carnivore Soldier and all of his followers who got me from 0 up to over 220 as of the making of this video. I am grateful to you. Thank you so much for the support. Share this with friends and family. What is my channel about? Well, I went keto over 5 years ago to lose weight. In the process, I healed my lower back problems, my OCD, my emotional issues. I had AFib that disappeared. My skin problems got better. I can go on and on. There's a long list of amazing benefits that happened when I cut out the carbs, sugars, and seed oils. And that was just going keto. Then I decided to go ketovore, which was to pull out most of the nuts and seeds and plants. And I still drank coffee and added mustard and spices and everything. And I did that for a few years. My health improved even that much more. So I decided over a year ago to go carnivore and pull out the last bit. I don't drink coffee anymore. I don't use any condiments of any kind. I don't eat any vegetables. I am eating only beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs. I cook in butter, beef tallow, bacon fat, chicken schmaltz, and it's delicious. It's so good. It's satisfying. It satiates me, and this is sustainable for the rest of my life. And I have experienced so many wonderful benefits besides the weight loss. I lost 35 pounds. My mood, my brain focus, everything has improved, and all the things I mentioned earlier got better. So I feel wealthy. I feel like a multi-billionaire with my health that I want to pay it forward to you by making YouTube videos. I am a retired middle school teacher. I taught for 34 years, and I want to continue to teach, but I want to teach my passion now, which is the proper human diet, the carnivore way of eating. And there are so many wonderful benefits, and I hope that you will learn from some of my videos. That's my goal, is that you can learn to eat well so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. That's my motto, that whole phrase there, to become the optimized version of yourself. I believe that knowledge is powerful. And once you have this knowledge by listening to YouTube videos, not just mine, listen to other people too. Take that, apply, that's the big thing. Apply these facts to your life and make changes and watch your life improve dramatically. That's what I did. My videos are how I make certain foods. I do demonstration videos of making bone broth and making a meal. I do videos where I'm interviewed with some famous people and radio show program hosts. So those are on there. And then a lot of my videos are teaching videos where I explain about bad ingredients that are in foods and about oxalates and seed oils and all the harmful things that are in the standard world diet. So I hope that you will subscribe and we go on this journey together to make ourselves the optimized versions of ourselves, to be better than we would be when we eat the standard world diet. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you, I hope, in my videos. Leave me comments and questions and I'll write back to everybody. See you later.